In this video, I want to share with you guys how to quantum leap your results. You know, there's a lot of noise now about quantum jumping, but I want to share with you how to actually do it, because the beautiful thing is there are infinite realities existing right now. So there are infinite versions of you that is existing right now. There is a broke you, there is a millionaire you, there's a successful you, there's an unsuccessful you. There are numerous yous existing right now, and it's waiting for you to actually select or to choose it. So now what I want you to do, I want you to be clear. I want you to now become clear and ask yourself, what do you really want? What do you want? What do you want to manifest? Now, if the universe could give you only a yes, or God can only give you a yes, and you can have anything you want right now, what would that be? Comment below and let me know, what would that be? Okay? If you're not clear, pause this video and I want you to think about it. If you can only get a yes, what would you like to manifest? Okay, now that you are clear in what that is, I now want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Yes, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay, now I just want you to imagine that you are standing in a hallway. Just imagine you're standing in a hallway and right in front of you is a big golden door. And behind this door is your ideal self. This is your desired self. This is your 2.0 version that who already has your desire. So you now about to meet this ideal self. Now this ideal self already has your desire. So now on a count of 3 with your eyes closed, I want you to imagine the door opening, 1, 2, 3. And now I want you to walk towards your ideal self. Now I want you to notice, just notice what is different about your ideal self. Just notice, what do you see? How does your ideal self dress? How do they smell? Notice how they actually stand. What is their posture? I just want you to suss out your ideal self. Look at your ideal, just observe your ideal self. Just take a moment and suss your ideal self. And now I want you to ask your ideal self, what advice he or she has for you right now. Just ask your ideal self, what advice do you have for me today? And ask your ideal self, what do you need to do today? What do you have to apply right now in your life today? Okay, so now that you've gotten all that information, I now want you to walk into your ideal self. Just imagine that you're walking into your ideal self. And notice how you're feeling now. Notice how you're thinking now. I just want you to become aware and sense, who are you being right now? Just feel into this new ideal self, because this is you now. Okay, now I want you to open your eyes. Open your eyes. So now I want you to let me know in the comments below what your ideal self told you and what were you told that you have to do today, and tell me, how do you feel overall? comment below and let me know. And quick reminder, we have a lot of free coaching resources. Just see the description. And if you're an entrepreneur and you're feeling stuck mentally and financially, you can book a free mindset clarity call with us. It's also in description below. And I'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget, keep smiling and enjoy your blissful day.